Hello friends, Namaskaram, how are you? Har Har Mahadev, Jai Shiv Shambhu. In today's class, I will discuss an important concern about Section 35, Subclause 3 of BNSS. It is one of the most important legal safeguard against the arbitrary arrest. Basically, it corresponds to Section 41A of CrPC. Whenever we are implicated in an offense, the offense is punishable up to 7 years. In that scenario, the concerned police is under legal duty not to do arrest in the automatic way, in the mechanical way. Despite of that, they may invite you, means the accused person, to join the investigation. So basically, we have to understand what the law says. As per Section 35, Subclause 3 of BNSS, in all the cases where the arrest is not required, more specifically, if the offense is punishable up to 7 years or less, in that scenario, the officer of police shall issue a notice of appearance. And if the notice of appearance is not issued, in that scenario, you may move as per the protocol of anticipatory bail, and even you may move as per the protocol of Section 528 of BNSS to get the benefit accordingly. So basically, if notice is given to the concerned accused, he will not be arrested. In the said notice, there will be a direction to appear before the concerned IO at a specified time or place. The concerned accused is duty bound to comply with the notice. In case he comply or inter alia cooperate, he will not be arrested, as I told you earlier. So basically, in general words, we could say that the consent notice is usually issued when the offense is punishable with imprisonment up to 7 years or less. And apart from that, the offense should not be a bailable offense. In addition to this, the concerned police must have the reasonable suspicion that the concerned accused has committed the offense on the basis of complaint so received. So if the ground of justifications are not on record, in that scenario, the notice is not required to be given. But if the ingredients are evident in that scenario, the notice is required to be given. If notice is not given and arrest is done in the illegal way, the erring officers could be prosecuted as per law. So basically, we could say that it inter alia protects your liberty. Apart from that, the specific reasons are required to be recorded on record why your arrest is required. For this, Section 35, Subclause 1, Subclause B of BNSS is quite important. And apart from that, the notice is required to be served in person. It could not be served by using the electronic communications as observed by Honorable Supreme Court in a recent judgment. So basically, what we can do if the police is going to ignore the notice? If the police is going to ignore the notice and inter alia, the IU is willing to arrest you, as I told you, you may go for anticipatory, even you may move as per the protocol of questioning. For this, you may emphasize on Section 5 to 8 of BNSS. So basically, whenever you get a notice as per Section 35, Subclause 3 of BNSS, do not ignore it. You are supposed to appear before the concerned IO, and even you may submit your version in response to notice as per Section 35, Subclause 3 of BNSS. And apart from that, you may take advice from a lawyer so that you could give the proper response as per the factual and legal protocol. You appear and inter alia cooperate, you will not be arrested. And even after doing the investigation, if charge sheet is filed, in that scenario, the chance to get the bail would be on the dominant side. So basically, by doing certain compliances, we could protect our rights. In addition to this, we must understand that recently we are having the judgment of Honorable Supreme Court, that is Anesh Kumar versus State of Bihar, in which Honorable Supreme Court had specified the guidelines not to do the arrest in the automatic or mechanical way. And apart from that, Honorable Delhi High Court inter alia sentenced the erring officials for not complying with the protocol of Section 41A of CrPC. So basically, if there is no compliance, so I specified you what remedies are required to be availed by you so that you could protect your right from being prejudiced or from being compromised. See you in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.